Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. How y'all doing? Now, today we're going to be looking at a couple of things. We had some setups for Euro USD and hey guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're live on Instagram as well. I hope everybody can hear me. Can we all hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, Tolu, make me host. You're the host, so you have to make me host. Make Mark host. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to continue with our analysis from yesterday. We're going to continue with our analysis from yesterday, where we were talking about a few other things. So we're going to continue with our analysis from yesterday. Please confirm that you can hear me. Welcome, those on Instagram. We're on a live analysis from yesterday, so we're going to continue with that, and we'll see how that goes. Okay. All right. So we looked at Euro USD Euro card. So we already have a setup for Euro card. So I'll just quickly explain this setup for Euro card. We're expecting price to come, hit into this, then come and give us the low of the day. Okay, come into this trend, inside this support, at this psychological level of 43,500, and then the low of the day with a W pattern. So we expect something like this. Price to come, hit up, come down, hit up, hit this level with a double, with an M pattern, a W pattern, shoot up, connect, return to this level, shoot up, return to this level, and then voila, we have. So this is what we call planning of a setup. So when you plan your setup to go in a certain direction, all right? Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we call planning of a setup. So this is the plan for Euro card. Euro card, our trade on Euro card. This is our plan setup for Euro card. Now the next trade that we want to look at, we looked at pound USD. We also looked at pound USD. Pound USD. So we're saying pound USD. If we come on the daily time frame, if you come on the daily time frame, if you come on the hourly time frame, you can see that we already So even if you go on any other time frame, you can see that we're already in a certain direction already. Our direction, the direction of the market is already, direction of the market is already clear. Okay, so direction of the market is clear already. And can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the direction of the market is clear already, and we're expecting this is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So we're expecting price to dematerialize at least all the way to this place. Do you understand? So that's our expectation for price. So yeah, that's for pound USD, and we did this analysis. Then Euro USD, I have a trade here, so we're expecting price to resist at somewhat at this level at 1.7200. So what we're going to do today, we're also going to analyze. We're going to analyze. We're going to analyze AUD USD, and then we're also going to analyze the XY. So we're going to look at the XY. We'll look at AUD USD, and then we'll know what we're doing. So let's look at AUD USD. AUD USD. So I want to analyze enough pairs for you today so that you have a direction for the week in your trading. From there, you know exactly what your expectations are for the market. So look at the XY. So AUD USD. AUD USD. What's the first thing? Let's come to the weekly time frame. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, if you extend this, let's come to the monthly first. Let's go to the monthly. So we can mark our various levels. I already have some levels that I already marked. So I can just extend those levels. Okay. For chart patterns on the weekly time frame. So let me clear this. Let me clear this. Let me clear this. Let me clear this. Okay. So what pattern are you looking at? Let me see if I can take this out. What pattern are you seeing here? Right now, I'm not seeing any clear-cut pattern. So let me come to daily. Probably I'll find something on daily time frame. Are you seeing any pattern here? Come on, guys. Are you hearing me? Are you seeing any pattern here? Are you seeing any pattern?
No.
Not necessarily. There's no really clear-cut.
Not clear.
No clear-cut pattern. But in a way, you can find something like a head and shoulders here. Can you see? Let's look at it on weekly. In a way, you can find like a head and shoulder. So let's come to H4. Let's see if it's there. Yeah, you can see a bit of like some sort of, if you look at daily, let me see if I can draw something like this. Can you see? Looks a bit like a head and shoulder. Just a little bit like a head and shoulder. So this is like the head with a double top, shoulder, shoulder. Can you see?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So those on Instagram, if you have any questions, you can send me. So double top, head and shoulder. So if I come to H4 for example, like we have like a double top, shoulder, shoulder. Okay? So it looks a bit like a head and shoulder. I can take this out. I can take this out. I can take this out. What happened there? So double top, shoulder, shoulder, something like that. Looks more or less like that. Okay? But this is like the neckline, but it has breached the neckline a little bit. It breached the neckline a little bit to the downside. So let's draw some trend lines. Okay? So I will draw this trend first of all so that I know. I can take this out, I don't need this, this has been invalidated. If I come to daily time frame, if I come to H4, so we can already see that market invalidated this neckline. Alright? Can you see? It has broken out of this structure. So
Yeah.
if I take this out, I can mark here because this is, I can take it like this. So this is support, 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 resistance, break support. So chances are price action will come to this level to return to this level. Can you see? But I would rather say it will come around this region because it's possible that it may want to test that neck. It's possible that it may want to test this trend line. Let me see if it's correct. If the trend line is correct, yeah. Let me adjust it a bit. No, it's not correct. Let me draw it properly. First one is like this. It's not correct. So even if we say we are drawing it like this is the first one. This is the second one. If we extend this trend line like this, extend it. Okay, it's downwards. Okay, it hasn't touched. So okay, broke the trend line, tested it. So yeah, so possibly it can. You can also draw from here to here. And draw this trend from here downwards. So I can take this out. So this is support. Please, if you have your sound, can you help reduce it? So this is the support. This is another support. You're not seeing my screen? Are you seeing my screen at all? Wow, you guys are not seeing my screen. You were not seeing. No, you were seeing a different screen. No? I was talking about everyday USD.
Yes, I love it.
But before, were you in seeing AUD USD?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you're seeing AUD USD? Okay. Alright, so back to what I was saying.
Yes, let's close it.
Oh, okay. So this is support, support, support. So price, chances are price is going to test this place before shooting down. Do you understand? So I can be thinking that there is something here. There should be something around here because this is a trend from here. This is a trend from here. So if price is able to break here, so if price is able to break here, we'll have downward trend direct to this place. It will be easy peasy down. So if price is able to break down, we are good. Price is able to break down, we are good. But uh, that place, and then this is going to be like the third touch of the trend. This is 1, 2, 3. So what we can quickly do is we can draw. We can quickly draw this and an opposite trend, a counter trend. So price touch goes up, comes down, touches here, comes down, high of the day, and we sell. So that's something that we can quickly do. So I'll post it. I'll post it on our group. So that's AUD USD. That's my bias for AUD USD. Do you understand? Now, do you have any questions about how counter trend works? Do you have questions about how counter trend works? Do you understand how this counter trend works? Because counter trend is simply we are counteracting the opposite. You understand? We are counteracting the opposite of what the market is supposed to be doing. So, for example, now, look, let me take this out. So, we are expecting entry around this place. Okay? So, this is the first touch of the trend. Price goes up. So, we'll wait for it to come back the second time. Bam. It goes up again. Alright? We know that there's the second touch. We'll wait for it to come down again. Bam. This is the third touch. As price now shoots up, we know that at the fourth touch, we will now enter at the high of the day. Do you understand? The high of the day or whatever high, maybe high of the week, if it has formed. We now enter at the high of the week and we short it. In this kind of trade, this is a 100% short trade. You short it down because now you have so many factors. High of the week or high of the day. One, 2, 3 touch. Definitely, this fourth touch will destroy this trend line and come down here. So you know that you have something for sure. You have 1, 2, 3 touches. Do you understand? So if you put this psychological level, you can put it at 500. So you have a psych level there at 500 that you can use. So you have a psychological level at 500 that you are using. So it's a simple move. So if you wait for it, if you're patient about it, you make money. Do you get? So that's a simple price action that we can take we can take there. Any questions?